What is going on, everyone? My name is Diaz, and today I'm going to be unboxing my new projector, and this is called the LC350 digital projector. And also we have this box here, which is going to be the screen that you can see movies, TV shows on this nice screen with this new projector. And we're gonna start off with the screen first. Let me just read off the size and some of the specs. So the screen size here is 60-inch, which is pretty cool. Display is 16:9 aspect ratio, which is the standard, and the viewing angle is 160-degree angle. And the screen type is a tripod projector screen. So the projector screen is basically on top of a big tripod, and then which is portable, like that you can take outside if you need to, if you're wanting to watch a movie outside in your backyard, which is pretty cool. And that's what we're gonna plan on doing this summer, since, you know, we're still not going into the movie theaters. But why do that? Mostly everything is coming out on TV anyway, so this was an alternative thing to do and not expensive at all. All right. And if you guys recommend any cool knife unboxing, please let me know. As long as it's small, that should be okay. All right. Wow, this is an interesting bubble wrap. This should be straightforward. Hopefully I don't have to build anything. It's just connecting things. This is, it looks like the travel bag for the actual screen. Simple. I'm gonna put that to the side. This box have anything else? Just paper. All right, let me put that to the side. Let's see what we got here. All right, take this off. Oh, I think this is actually built already, which is good. Let me just put this here. Do any of you guys have a projector screen? If so, just let me know what you have like that to potentially compare and see. This one I heard from Katrina. I think she's following someone on social media, and she had this projector. Had a lot of good reviews, so this is the one that we decided to purchase, and we're gonna test out and see how that goes. Okay. Wow. This is like pretty heavy duty. Oops. Don't fall. In the back it has a tool where you can tighten it, lift it, make it loose. So here I have it loose so I can lift up the screen, as you can see. Just make that a little bit looser. There we go. I'll be right back. So there we go. And then we tighten it in the back. Make sure it's really tight so it doesn't fall. All right. So as you can see here, you're gonna be using the projector. This is where your image will go here. So you can see it has the black space here. So you can also, if this bothers you, you can actually put it a little lower so it won't be too high. So that's what I'm gonna do. Let's see. That's pretty good right there. Oops. Went down a little bit. There we go. Let's leave it right there. Don't worry guys, I'm right here. I'm right behind the screen. All right. So pretty simple, not bad, right? This is the screen. This is gonna go to the man cave where we're gonna have our projector. We're not using a TV downstairs anymore. We decided just to go the projector way, just because if we wanted to take out the projector outside to our backyard, then you know we'll have that nice time outside watching a movie or something. All right, now let's unbox the projector. Cool thing about this is that the way how you stream content is either you have to use your phone or your tablet. So if you have an iPad or I think any Samsung tablet, you can use and stream whatever you want to stream. This is pretty light and small. Okay. You can see it has a lot of, it looks pretty sleek. I like it. You see there? This is where the film is gonna be coming out. Here we have buttons, play, stop, fast forward, home. So you'll be able to see the settings on the screen. So that's pretty cool. I'm just gonna take this cap off. Just be careful. I'm gonna leave it there hanging for a second. Let me see what else the box comes with. All right. Box with probably some connections. Oh, nice. Look at that. A remote control. That's nice. We have so many remote controls in this house. It's like insane. Yeah, it's pretty decent looking. I mean, it's super plasticky and it feels like it can break easily, but it's pretty sleek and thin. Not bad. These, you need AAA batteries. So I think I have some there. We're definitely gonna try this projector out downstairs since basements tend to be super dark. Right now it's daytime, so I'll be showing you guys later on in this video how we're gonna be streaming our content. So this is the power cord here. And I believe this is like the audio and the image connection. They still use these. Pretty old school. The 3 colors, red, white, and yellow. Let's see, I don't know. Does this come with HDMI? Can't remember. No. Wait. Oh, snap. Look at that. Ooh. So the connections here, you can actually, that's crazy. You can put a USB, you can connect the USB here in the slot, and there's a HDMI cable, and then you have the AV connection, which is this, and you have, it looks like for headphones, you can connect this too. So if you want to listen to whatever you're watching by yourself when you're downstairs, then that's pretty cool, awesome too. And here we have some dials where you can zoom in and zoom out. Right here, there's like a little wheel here. You can like autofocus this as well here, which is pretty cool. Oh, that's awesome. So I'm gonna try the HDMI cable instead of the AV connections. HDMI cables, you know, they seem to be, the image is a bit better and audio as well. So this is the power cord here. I'm just gonna connect that. It's on the side here. Guys, nothing. I'm really excited about this. It's pretty cool. I've always wanted a projector, and now it's here. All right, let's see what else we have. So it looks like it comes with a USB cable. You just have to figure out how do you connect this to your iPhone, iPad. So hold up. Oh, sorry guys. It's not a USB cable. It's the HDMI cable. Pretty simple. So with this, when you're connecting your iPhone or your iPad, you're gonna need an adapter to connect to your iPhone or your iPad, because you'll connect this HDMI end in the projector and then the other end in the adapter connected to your phone or to your iPad. So we'll definitely try that. That's pretty cool that I mean, I feel like it's standard nowadays where they just send you with your HDMI cables. So I remember when it was hard to like get one in packages, but now they're just sending them with everything, which is pretty cool. Saved me some money, like a couple of dollars, but it's something, you know? All right, so now that we have this ready connected, I'm not gonna connect it right now. As you can see, it's daylight and it's morning time actually. And I won't be able to show you guys a clear picture. I'm gonna show you guys in the man cave downstairs so you can see how the picture looks when it's dark, which that's, you know, when you're supposed to watch movies or shows in the dark when you have a projector like this. Because if you put it now in the daytime, then it's gonna be not as clear because it's so bright in my dining room, as you can see. But yeah, also guys, before I forget, I actually got a mount for the projector. So basically this is a little tripod for your ceiling, because you want the projector to be on a high level. I mean, you can put it probably like on a table, a high chair, but this is another alternative where you can just hang this on the ceiling. So it goes like this. So I'll put the projector and the projector screen plus the mounts down in the links below if you guys are interested and take a look at that. So this is the part where you put on the ceiling. There's 3 screws, so you're just gonna put that there, and then I just have to figure out how do I hang this, which it has a connector here for the mount on the bottom. Now let's take this to the man cave so I can show you guys how it looks. Now we're in the basement and I'm gonna show you the setup. I know you guys are seeing all these wires, but I'm gonna fix that. I didn't have time to today, but I'm gonna show you that I mounted the projector up here in the ceiling. So I'm gonna put these wires attached to the ceiling. So like that is nice and clean, like that we don't have wires all over the place. But as you can see, we have the screen up here, the projector, and right now I'm streaming a basketball game. So I just wanted to show you guys how that looks. I'm gonna turn off the lights and then you guys can see for yourself. So that's how the image looks, and then I'm gonna just press play for a few seconds. So as you can see, you guys saw the image and it looks pretty crispy. The audio is insane. There's different mods that you can change it for, like surround sound. There's like 3 different options. I have it on standard, which is already loud enough. But I mean, this is basically it. This is the man cave on this side, and then the lady cave is on that side. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show you guys how it looked all set up. Now, the other thing before we close, this here, you can, if you don't want to put it up in the ceiling, you can put it up on a table or a chair. You just need the mount. So this is right now upside down, but they made it so you can put it upside down or just have it the other way around, which is pretty cool. And then you can take it outside if you want, watch movies at nighttime if you like, but this is gonna be for the man cave, so we can watch sports, movies, shows, whatever you want. And that's pretty much it. That wraps it up for this video. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. This is Ariel Diaz. I'll see you soon. Peace.